Hey friends, if you encounter the error can't connect to this network in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So before anything else, check if the internet is working on other devices. If yes, then power cycle the modem, router and computer. Now I'll explain the process for this. Switch off the modem, router and computer, all the three devices. Now switch on the modem only the modem, not the router, not the computer, only the modem. Wait till all the lights are stable. Now switch on the router, only the router, and wait till all the lights are stable, and then switch on the computer. So we have to do it sequentially. Now if you have a modem router combo, then switch off the modem router combo and the computer. Switch on the modem router combo only, wait till the lights are stable, and then switch on the computer. If this doesn't help, then click on this symbol here, the system tray, go to the Wi-Fi symbol, right click on the problematic Wi-Fi network and forget it. Now we will reconnect to it. We're still getting and can't connect to the network. We will try to reconnect to it. Now it will ask for the password once again. Okay, and now we will be able to connect to it. Okay, so was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.